Here are the top 5 bikes with F1-level technology.
Number 5. Yamaha YZF R1M. Race-grade electronics, slide control, and data logging. Number 4. BMW M1000RR. Advanced traction control, aerodynamic winglets, and race telemetry. Number 3. Ducati Panigale V4R. MotoGP-derived electronics, seamless gearbox, and active aerodynamics.
Number 2. Kawasaki Ninja H2R. Supercharged engine, aerospace-grade materials, extreme aerotech.
And number 1, KTM RC16 MotoGP replica. Pure racing DNA, cutting-edge sensors, and elite performance tech.